Okay, so now we need to close this upper hatch, right? So for that we need to create another body, right? So we will go for insert, select go for insert body, name it as upper portion. Okay, select this surface directly and go for sketch. Now the question is how to cover this. Okay, so first of all we will select the outer boundary. Okay, like this. That's a rectangle that I have created. Okay, now I'm gonna select this, and this two should be coincident to each other. Oh no, sorry, wait a moment. Like this, right? Okay, we have another approach for that. Select this thing called projection, right? Yes, project this, this, this. It's done. Remove this one which you don't want. Okay, so the yellow line represents our outer boundary. Okay, I just we need to select this two to connect. That's it. Other one as well, the same. Escape, and we are good. Come outside from here and just make a extrude, or we can say pad, in the lower direction and with the dimension called 10, right? So it's a good thing. Now we need to check what is remaining. I believe this is the remaining part only. So we'll create this particular thing. Okay, the 60 in the length, because this is not yet made. Select the surface of this outside, go for sketch, and we need to create two pockets, sorry, two rectangles like this. And first of all we'll just select create only one, then we'll have a mirror of that. The distance should be between the axes is 50, right? Length should be 60 up here, and the width should be 14.14. Okay, now I just need to drag and drop up here, or make it sure it is coincident with the frame. Coincident. That's it. Select this sketch, go for mirror to this particular plane, and there we go. Again the same thing, we'll go for padding, right? And we'll go padding to the next surface, which is this one. Okay, it's not accepting that. Up to the last. Impossible. Okay, so for now we'll go for the option called dimension in the reverse direction, and it is the whole length is I believe 500, right? No, it's more than that. Let me check. Sorry, not here. padding, right? So come up here and let's check the distance up here. The whole thing is okay, there's none mentioned up here, so we need to go back in the design mode and check. For pad number 10, go for design mode or sketch mode, and we'll check the distance from here. Sorry. Right. So the end distance is 593, and we can use that here. Okay, fine. That looks good. Now you can proceed with the another thing, which is this one, right? Which particularly look like this. So we'll create that right here. We can actually hide this upper body, okay, so we can see only this one to avoid the confusion. So again, I'm hiding this. So there are two ways. Either you can go up here to check the hidden part, right? So I'm just gonna go for show, and it's here. Okay, so for now we need to make this one, yeah, this one. So it's attaching clips are there, means it attached to the frame itself, right? So yeah, let's just gonna make that one here. So for that we need to create a plane, right, which should be inside this thing, right? So select this plane which we already created, and go for option called plane. Make it is in the opposite direction as 40 mm. Okay, so it is inside, yes, correct, it is inside this thing. Okay, I'm just gonna go select that part, particular plane, and I'm gonna go for design or sketch. Right, up here again, make a rectangle, simple. Okay, inside that I need a circle. That's fine. Time to make it constrained. Select this control press, go for coincident. Same thing for the other side. Dimension of this is 7.5. okay, and the distance from this to this, that's a good question. Let's see from hip here how much it is. It is now 15 centimeter, sorry, mm. It's 15. Okay, so okay, that's fine, and it's 15 mm. Okay, and this is also, I just consider it as 15, and the distance from this to the center point should be 15 by 2. And let's just check the distance from this to this. It is 52. Okay, so 52 by half, I believe it's 26, and that could be the midpoint, and that's it. Once you do that, this thing, go for exit. Now it's in this plane. Okay, so all I wanted to do is just create another plane up here. Okay, so select this. Okay, let's just check where are we right now. Okay, we are here, no worries. Okay, select this plane, go for again this one, go for this time 20. So this is the one which we have just created. Okay, so why we need that? We need to make a mirror, right? So let's select the sketch, which is this one. I'll go for mirror. Okay, it says okay, let's just see. Oh no, not this one, not like this. Okay, let's just go for first let's see if we can first make a padding of it, and it's 10 centimeter, so and once we do that, let's just go for 5. That would be appropriate. 5, and go for mirror to this plane, and let's see how it looks. Yep, perfect. Yep, that's it. Right now again, now I wanted to mirror this too, which is pad and mirror to another plane, which is this one, and there we go. Create. Okay, it is there, and this time I want a plane which is coming from here. Let's just find the distance from this to this first. Okay, this plane to this plane. Measure between this and this is 2 to 6.5. Okay, so that's a good feature. You can always have that. It's called measure between. Okay, 2 to 6.5. got it. Select the plane 2 to 6.5 in the other direction, which is looks good, right? And click on preview. Okay, this time select the mirror part, go for it cannot be transformed. Why so? Okay, let's just do one thing. I have another approach as well. Select the plane, go for 5 plus 20. So it is at that position where we want. Select this plane, go for sketch, and this time just select like this and go for projection, right? Go for out, and you can just extrude that part like this in the other direction. 5 mm preview, and done. So similarly, we have created this 4 plates inside the structure, right? And that's it. Now we'll create this thing. So this structure is rectangular and this is circular, right? So for now we need to create the platform where is this shaft, or you can say the rod will attach, right? So for now, just hide the main body, hide, and just select this thing, go for sketch, and here we need to create a profile make it coincident with it, and coincident. Distance between these two is let's consider 60. Okay, and the width is 14. 1 4. Got it. Okay, and the next thing that is required is that it is in the mid distance, right? So we need to check this and this first. It is 593. Okay, so let's just make axis first here, so we can determine it. Axis, and this should be distance of 593 by 2. Okay, and this and this should be equidistance, means a 60 by 2 is 30. Now it's in the center. That's it. Looks good. Go for extrude now, or add. Come on, and it should be in the other direction up to the last, you can say. Okay, let's just go for surface. No. Okay, let's just come again, go for extrude, and let's just see the distance from here to there. Consider checking it with this. Nope, not this one. This part to this end is 80. Got it. So 80 in extrude. Fine, this is also a good technique. All good. Now we are going to make a circular thing up here. So this is a very useful thing. Okay, so though, see, that's the reason why I have hidden the other design, and the main thing which I have mentioned earlier is that to avoid confusion, I made this a later part, right? This thing. So yeah, that's the thing. So now we'll create a circular thing up here that can hold the shaft. This is the circle. There's one more inner circle, but for that we need to know the dimension, which is 40 in the diameter. 40. Sorry. The sketch. Select this and go for constraint. 40 in the diameter, and distance is 30. Okay, fine, but oh yeah, it's in the mid, right? So no matter what, it's in the mid, so we don't need any more constraint. Okay, so that's it. Now we will go for the one command called offset. That's a very useful command that is used. This offset, yeah, this is the offset. We'll go for offset inside, and the distance should be 5 mm. That's it. We'll go for extrude now again, and it should be 8 mm only. Go for edge fillet. Select this thing, go for 2 mm. Okay, same for the other end. Preview. Okay, and that's it. It's done. Now we'll go for show, update all thing, and it's now done. So the part 1 of this design is complete. You can follow for the second one. It will be out soon. You can check on my channel. Thank you.